This goes out to Gloria, Allred, and Tom Girardi. I must express my profound frustration and disturbance at the glaring lack of understanding and clarity the court has exhibited regarding my case. This is not a matter of mere legal intricacies. It is a dire issue that touches the very core of my human rights. My attempts to represent myself have been met with nothing but obfuscation, and it's high time to confront the egregious corruption that plagues the Stanley Mosk Courthouse, a corruption deeply rooted in the influence of Thomas Girardi. Let's not shy away from the harsh reality. The LA Times has shed light on a disturbing fact. Girardi was handpicked by Governor Gavin Newsom to appoint every executive of the State Bar of California, as well as judges fast-tracked through Girardi's minibar. This revelation isn't just alarming, it's a glaring indictment of the system's integrity. The petition I filed in the Court of Appeals, with my associated companies, including Film and TV Limited, Film and TV Inc., Alki David Production Inc., and Hologram USA, against the Los Angeles County Superior Court, underscores the gravity of this situation. We argue that the civil liability orders and enforcement of civil judgments are fundamentally tainted by the extrinsic fraud perpetrated by attorneys associated with Girardi. The evidence laid out in the memorandum is damning. It exposes a deliberate manipulation of the legal system for personal gain, a web of fraud spanning various cases. It's not just about financial exploitation, it's an affront to the concept of justice. I am not just seeking a writ of prohibition, I am demanding justice and a restoration of the due process that is my right. This petition is more than a legal document. It's a clarion call for accountability and transparency in a system that Girardi and his cohorts have exploited for far too long. The time for passive observation is over. It is incumbent upon you to recognize the magnitude of this corruption and take decisive action. The integrity of our legal system, the protection of human rights, and the very concept of justice in our society are at stake. Judge Peter Hernandez, unfortunately, represents the latest link in a chain of Girardi's influence, following judges Onjeko and Michelle Williams' court, who have systematically stripped away my due process and, ultimately, my human rights. This isn't just about me, it's about the integrity of our judicial system and the countless others who may have fallen victim to this pervasive corruption. The time for passive observation is over. It is incumbent upon you to recognize the magnitude of this corruption and take decisive action. The integrity of our legal system, the protection of human rights, and the very concept of justice in our society are at stake.